Hi everyone. People have been asking this question that if Piggyvest is a scam. Well, happy to say that Piggyvest or Piggy Bank is not a scam. It's a legit platform. Piggyvest is a legit platform. It's like a bank where you save money. That's how it is. You remember in those days or even what till now, if people want to save their money, they don't want to take their money or spend their money, they form a boss, something like a boss. They form it and they put hole at the middle of it. They will start putting money that they will be receiving from a friend or money that they budgeted to be putting on that boss. So at the end of the targeted time, they will open that boss and you know what it means. If you continue to put money on that boss and at the end of 6 months or a year, you open that boss, you see a lot of money that you have must have saved on that local boss. That's how Piggyvest or Piggy Bank is. So it's a legit platform, it's a genuine platform. It's like a form of a bank. So it's an online it's a soft, a digital aspect. It is not the local one we do. So for your money to be saved, you have to create a platform like this. So I will be teaching you on how to create an account on it and also show you some of other features that it has. It has different features. It is not only whereby you connect your bank on it, then they will be collecting your money every day after you must have targeted it. Or you have a target that it should be taking 1,000 every day, and at the end of a month you realize some money. It's not only that one that Piggyvest does, it also has other features that it does. Now, if you look at very well, this is how it is. Yes, I'll also be teaching you how to invest on it. So you see, it has different features. As I said, you can do investment, you can lock your money or safe lock, put it on safe lock. For you can create an account. So you can get it on iPhone. You can also get it on Android. So you can look at people that are using this platform. Over 3 million customers are using this to finance their goal or make a financial stability, so to say. So you can use it to make money, you can use it to save money. It's not only for savings, but you can use it to make money. So it is a legit and genuine platform. Now, how you to sign it is very simple. For the sake of this teaching, I want to create an account. Let me assume you want to create an account. This is how it goes. You put your full name, your email address, your phone number, your password, your referral code is optional, you can put it. Then how do you hear about it? Is optional too. You can just decide to put it. Then you create an account. So I've already created an account, so I don't want to go far, got time. So what you need to do is simple. You'll be putting what they ask you to put. You create an account, then you take it to another step where it will require you putting your email, okay, as we say email address before, where it will require you putting your bank details. Yes, you put your bank details, you put your BVN, then you verify. So don't be scared. It is they won't fraud you. It's not a scam a forum or scammy forum. So you wait till you be verified on your email, and it will definitely take you to the dashboard. So I've already created an account. I don't want to go far too much because of the time. I want to always try to manage my time when doing videos like this so that your data will be conserved. Yes, be conserved. So we want to log in to my dashboard. I've already created an account, I said before. I want to use it as a teaching to teach you guys on how to do it. So this is what I've explained before: total savings, total investment, flex dollar. Now let's quickly look at the savings. This where what I've explained just not quite long, the PG bank. So if you automate it, that will be collecting weekly, daily, and monthly. At the end, you will be having 10% of the money that you've earned on so months or a day or weekly. So if you put 10,000 naira, 10% of the 10,000 naira, you know what it is. Then the flex naira is 8%. Like flex naira, you want to the flex naira rather is. I remember I said it's not flex dollar, it is flex naira. This flex naira is whereby you put money here. Yes, let me explain here again. Flex naira is where you save money for emergency, and this flex naira is where you save. It's not like the PG bank. It's different from the PG bank itself. Here is where you buy, whereby you save 200,000, any amount at all that you want to save. So to say, any amount that you want to save, if you are saving 10,000 naira here, meaning that you'll be able to withdraw this 10,000 naira 4 times a year. Yes, 4 times a year. That is every 3 months, the last day of the month, the 3 months. For example, if you put 10,000 here, your commission here every month will be 8% of 10,000. You know what it means. So meaning if you put 10,000 here, you will not be able to withdraw it in a month. You will not be able to withdraw it in 2 months until the third month, the last day, that is 31st of every 3 months or third month. That is when you'll be able to withdraw your money. Is it clear? But your commission, your percentage, 8% of the amount you put, you'll be taking that every month. But the capital, you will not be able to withdraw till that 3 months completes. It complete that 3 months. The last day, 31st, they always pay at every 31st of the third month. So if you put the money here now, as you put 20,000 naira, you are to collect that 20,000 naira by the end of that 3 months. Like January, February, March 31st, you will draw your 20,000 naira, your capital. Then you also invest again. Uh, April, May, June 31st. That is the second, the third month now. You see? Then you also go again. July, August, September. You also September 31st, collect your money. Then and September, November, October, and December. Sorry, October, November, and December. So you see, so it is 4 times in a year that you do your withdrawal. That is for the flex naira. So this is what I love this one so much. So you can call your friends and say, friend, or I have a platform where I will help you to save your money for about 3 months. Then you collect the money from your friend. If it is 1 million, if it's 2 million, you put it on this flex naira, this particular one. Put it on this flex naira, and in at the end of the 3 months or the 6 months that you told your friend, or the year that you told your friend that I will be giving you the money, you will be earning profit every month, every month, 8% of the amount of money you put on this flex naira. So this one is just very simple to use. That's why I love using this platform. So this one is different from the PG bank. The PG bank is for you to be, they will be collecting money automatically every day, every week, or monthly. But you still be any percentage, 10% of the amount you put on it, and they will be taking every month. Then this one, this is different from it is flex naira. So you put money on it every three months. That is 4 times you cash out in a year. So it's a simple one. Then the safe lock, as I said before, you will lock your funds to a specific time, and at the end of that, you collect your money or withdraw your money. But you also be receiving 13% of what you must have realized. Then the target, I explained it before I logged into my account or my dashboard. So the target is here is you have to target the amount of money that you put to so time, then you will withdraw it. It's a target that you individual need to make. It's a goal. You do it on your own. Then you also receive your percentage, 9%. Then the flex dollar, if you want to grow on dollar, I don't want to grow on naira. At times people will say, I want to put, I have a dollar, I want to put dollar, I don't want to convert to naira. You can click on it, then she show you on how to put it. So you have a dollar account, dollar currency, you can put it here. It's simple. So that is how this Abeg amount. Abeg amount is a social payment platform for super quick transfer. So it's like instead of transferring to your uh, to PG Bank, if you want to quickly transfer your money to your bank, you use the Abeg um Abeg amount account rather Abeg account. It's another account. It's different from a PG Bank. So if you create this account, you know instead of wasting your time to withdraw your money, you can definitely create a big account and then create link your account, your bank account to this, and immediately your money will be withdrawn to your account. So if you want the money to be on your dashboard here, you can also leave it here. Then at your leisure time, you withdraw it to your bank. That is how it goes. So these are the 6 um, ways to earn money on this platform. Now, if you want to do an investment, another fine one, you can invest. Yes, you can invest. So if you want to invest, you click invest now, see what will happen. And these are the people. You see, this one is already sold. It has been sold out already. To 2,742 investors, they have invested on uh this business. You see, so they are invested on this business. Then if you come to this cashew nut investment, look, this is credit financing. You see, credit financing, recycling global, recycling global. So they have invested on it. So that's 5,000, 13% of 5,000 in 6 months. You know what it means? So even if it is not much, so at these people invested about 2,000, 20,000 naira. So the 20,000 naira, 30% of 30,000 naira or 20,000 naira in 6 months, you also know what it is. So if you want to invest, you invest on any of these um, platform. See, there are many. You can come the first one, you have cashew nut, you do an investment, you'll be any 20% of any amount you invest in 9 months. The same thing with this cassava farm investment. So you can do investment here. You also be any your profits, your percentage at the end of any month or each month that they asked you to withdraw your money. So it's a very fine platform. It's a very fine platform. It's not the way people said before that you only put your money, you use it as a service, whereby you'll be collecting money every day for a service. No, there are other features that you can definitely enjoy. You see, this is my account. So I already have an account here, as I said before. So what you need to do is just to create your account immediately, and if you refer a friend, this is another way. If you refer a friend, you will earn 1,000. If you refer a friend, you will earn 1,000. Now, how are you going to send money to this PG bank if you want to transfer money to this PG bank from your bank? You come to where you say account here. Now, if you look at this is my account number, that is Sterling Bank. So if I copy, it is powered by Sterling Bank. So if I copy this account number, I'll go to my bank mobile app. Then I place this. It will actually generate my name, and I will send the money. Then it will appear on my dashboard here. That is how to use it. So it is very simple to use. So friends, please try to register on it, and remember, it's not a scam. It's a legit platform. Don't mind anyone that says that it's a scam. I'll be using it. I did be a scam. No, I'm using it is not a scam. It's a legit platform. So kindly subscribe to my channel and use my link below to register on this platform so that you will receive 1,000 naira. If you use my link, you will receive 1,000 naira after you must have um go out after you must have followed the procedure on what to do before you receive that 1,000 naira. So you must follow the criteria and you will receive your 1,000 naira straight ahead. Please use the link below to register and receive your reward. That is how it is. Thank you and see you next time my video.